you how to go live on the Facebook Lite app in 2024. Facebook Lite is a lightweight version of the Facebook app designed to work smoothly on low-end devices and in areas with slow internet connections. Despite its smaller size, it still offers many of the same features as the regular app, including the ability to go live. Let's dive into the steps to start a live broadcast on Facebook Lite. Before we begin, make sure you have the following thing. First, the Facebook Lite app installed on your device, a stable internet connection, your Facebook account logged into the Facebook Lite app. Now let's get started. Open the Facebook Lite app on your phone. In the new post, tap on the live video. This will open live video setup. Allow Facebook Lite to access your camera and microphone. Now add a description to your live video. Tag friends and choose your audience, that is public, friends, etc. Once you're ready, tap on the start live video or go live button. You are now live on Facebook Lite. And when you're ready to end your live stream, simply tap the finish button. Facebook Lite will then process your live video and you can choose to save it to your timeline or delete it. And that's it. Now you know how to go live on the Facebook Lite app in 2024. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.